Hey y'all, so I am hoping that this encourages somebody today. I don't want to be on here really long, but I just want to share with y'all what happened. So I told myself that I am going to at least start doing some type of exercise and getting out of that apartment at least 3 times a week, because I have got to fill y'all in on so much. I've truly missed y'all a lot. I've missed planting. I've missed talking about the garden, and we're still doing a patio container garden, but that doesn't take me long to do, or to do like maintenance. But hopefully soon we will be back, and I'm going to take you all throughout the whole process. But this is what I wanted to tell y'all. Like, sometimes you have got to tell yourself, you've got to tell your body that I'm in control, because I have not been wanting to go walk at all. And so this morning it was dark. It stayed dark so long. It rained, thundered, lightning a little bit. And so normally I go walking on my lunch. And so around like 11:30, all of a sudden it started getting light. The sun came out, and I was like, I guess this is my sign that you're gonna go walking today. And I still told myself, I'm not going walking today because I don't feel like it. But then I'm like, well, what else are you gonna do? You're just gonna sit in the apartment and do what? It's not a lot of good lighting in there. I can't really read like I want to. And I would just probably be scrolling on social media. So that is just a message. Like, sometimes you have to let your body know that you're in control. And so that's what I did today. And now I'm out walking, which this will be my 3 days, because I did Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. And so I just hope this helps somebody. Being out in the sun, I can't tell you how important the sun is. It's very important. But just being out in the sun, being out in nature makes me feel a whole lot better since I haven't been gardening. What I will tell you is, gardening, I always have said it was a therapy for me, but I'm telling y'all, it truly is. It truly is. And I found myself just like not myself. So I have to get out, get in nature a little bit, do a little bit walking. But again, coming soon, hopefully real soon, I'm going to take you all through the whole creation process. I'm so excited. I've already been thinking about, by the time we get our new home, it'll probably be time for fall vegetables. And I'm already like picking out my seeds to start. That will be the first thing that I set up once we get our things back, is starting seeds. So I hope you all have a beautiful day. Let me kind of pick up my little power walk a little bit. But yeah, although sometimes we don't want to do things, once we do it, we feel a whole lot better. So you all enjoy your day. Talk to you soon.